Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to unblock a phone number on Oukitel G2. Firstly, tap on the phone's icon. Now tap on the contact that you have blocked previously. As you can see, Bobby Singer is blocked. Now to unblock it, just simply scroll a bit down and tap on unblock numbers, unblock. So Bobby Singer is now unblocked. I'm going to block him again just to show you another way of doing it. So let me go back into contacts, and while you're in contacts, tap on the three dots at the right corner, settings, block numbers. As you can see, here is the phone number that I have just blocked. I can also block another number from here, and to unblock somebody just tap on the X, which is next to the phone number, unblock. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.